When Julius Caesar was assassinated by the group of the conspirators Senate on 15 March 44 BCE, led by Marcus Brutus, Gaius Cassius, and Decimus Brutus. Then on 27 November 43 BCE, the second triumvirate was formed between Octavian, Mark Antony, and Lepidus. It was a political alliance to organize the Republic and existed for 2 5-year terms covering the period until 33 BCE. But the main purpose of this triumvirate to avenge the assassins of Julius Caesar. Caesar's murderers had control of most of the eastern provinces, including Macedonia, Asia Minor, and Syria. In 42 BCE, Octavian and Antony had fought against Cassius and Brutus at Philippi and defeated by Octavian and Antony. After this victory, Antony and Octavian divided the provinces among themselves. Caesar took control of the west, Antony of the east, and Lepidus of the Africa. Then in 40 BCE, Antony has married the Octavius' sister, which strengthened the second triumvirate alliance. In 37 BCE, the triumvirate was renewed for another 5-year period. Finally, in 36 BCE, the Octavian's friend Agrippa defeated Sextus Pompey and he fled to Asia Minor, but was captured and executed by the Roman general Marcus Titius. Lepidus' legions in Sicily defected to Octavian, and Lepidus himself was forced to submit to him. On 22 September 36, Lepidus was stripped of all his offices except that of Pontifex Maximus. Octavian then sent him into exile in Circe. In 36 BCE, Antony resurrected Caesar's plans to invade Parthia and summon Cleopatra to Tarsus, modern Cumhuriyet Alani in Turkey. Antony began a campaign against Parthia with a massive force in 36 BC. The Forates front was found to be strong, and so Antony chose the route via Armenia. Upon entering Atropatene, the Roman baggage train and siege engines, which had taken a different route, were destroyed by a Parthian cavalry force. Antony still besieged the Atropatene capital but was unsuccessful. The arduous journey of retreat to Armenia and then Syria further inflicted heavy losses on his force. Antony later invaded and pillaged Armenia and executed its king. The triumvirate period ended in 33 BCE. In 32 BCE, when Antony divorced Octavia to marry Cleopatra, Octavian convinced the Roman Senate to declare war on the Egyptian queen Cleopatra. Her lover and ally Mark Antony, who was Octavian's rival, gave his support for her cause. 40% of the Roman Senate, together with both consuls, left Rome and joined the war on Antony's side. After a decisive victory for Octavian at the Battle of Actium, Cleopatra and Antony withdrew to Alexandria, where Octavian besieged the city until both Antony and Cleopatra committed suicide. Then Octavian spared her children by Antony, but had his eldest son by Fulvia put to death, and of course Caesarion. Egypt was annexed by Rome, ending 300 years of Ptolemaic rule. But because it was a major producer of grain, Octavian took it under his own personal administration. At the same time, Rome's 482 years of republican reign came to an end, because Octavian declared himself to be the first emperor of Rome.